In the previous video, we have already talked about the concept of zero knowledge proof in blockchain technology. Today, I am going to discuss several applications of this amazing technology. Hello everyone, welcome to Fave World Educational Hub. I am Aishwarya Saxena and this is Blockchain Tutorial Series. Zero knowledge proof are cryptographic techniques that allow a prover to demonstrate the validity of a statement to a verifier without revealing any information about the statement. This property has significant applications in blockchain technology, enhancing privacy, security, and efficiency. Let's discuss some notable applications of zero knowledge proof in blockchain. Number 1. Privacy preserving transactions. Zero knowledge proofs can be used to prove that a transaction is valid without revealing any details about the sender, receiver, or transaction amount. This ensures that transaction details remain private while still being verifiable. Number 2. Confidential assets. ZKPs enable the creation of confidential assets that can be spent, transferred, and verified on a blockchain without revealing their type or value. This is particularly useful for applications requiring token privacy, such as supply chain management. Number 3. Anonymous credentials. Zero knowledge proofs can be used to issue and verify anonymous credentials. These credentials prove that certain attributes are true about a user without disclosing any additional information, enhancing user privacy. Number 4. Identity management. Blockchain systems can utilize ZKPs for identity verification without revealing personal information. This can help in complying with regulations like GDPR while maintaining trust in digital interactions. Number 5. Decentralized exchanges. ZKPs can be employed in decentralized exchanges to enable private and trustless trading of assets without revealing the trading party's information. Number 6. Secure voting system. Zero knowledge proofs can be used to design verifiable voting systems where voters can prove that their votes are valid without disclosing the actual vote. Number 8. Scalability solutions. ZKPs can enhance scalability solutions like Layer 2 protocol, example, Lightning Network, by allowing off-chain transactions to be validated on-chain without revealing the transaction details. Number 8. Blockchain interoperability. ZKPs can facilitate cross-chain transactions by enabling users to prove that they own assets on the chain without revealing the details to another chain. Number 9. Supply chain tracking. Zero knowledge proofs can be applied to supply chain tracking to provide verifiable information about the origin and history of products while perceiving sensitive business details. Number 10. Proof of solvency. ZKPs can enable financial institutions to prove their solvency without disclosing sensitive customer details, enhancing transparency and accountability. Number 11. Data validation. In private or consortium blockchains, ZKPs can be used to prove data validity and consistency without exposing the actual data. Number 12. Smart contracts with privacy. ZKPs enable the creation of privacy-preserving smart contracts where contract execution and validity can be verified without revealing the contract's sensitive data. Number 13. Auditability. ZKPs can prove that specific computations have been carried out correctly without revealing the inputs or the computational itself. This is useful for auditing purposes. Number 14. Tokens swap protocols. In decentralized exchanges and token swap protocols, ZKPs can provide proof of asset ownership and value for cross-chain swaps. Number 15. Secure authentication. Zero knowledge proofs can enhance authentication processes, allowing users to prove their identity without revealing their private credentials. By leveraging the power of zero knowledge proofs, blockchain systems can achieve a balance between privacy, security, and transparency, opening the door to innovative applications across various industries. So, I hope you have enjoyed this content and also understood the amazing concept related to zero knowledge proofs. How many applications did you know before this? Tell me in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and also press the notification bell to get the notifications immediately as a new video arrives. See you in the next video.